In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find missing About tab on YouTube app on an iPhone or Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up YouTube app. Once it is done, just head over to some YouTube channel, and then if we drag it to the left, we can find out that in a new YouTube app design, About tab is really missing, and now I'm gonna show you how we can easily find it. Basically, guys, all we have to do is just tap right here at channel description. Next to that arrow, we can tap at the arrow basically, or somewhere here, and then we'll be immediately taken to About tab, where we can find channel description, channel links, and more info. If this video helps you guys, don't forget to hit the like button.